Hi, Borks. And it begins. Hi. Oh, the old roof is coming up. We're gonna have a lot of these cast. Yes. Yes. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of roof bits to clean up. Garbage. Tarp is still mostly on the tractor. I'll blew some metal pieces. Holy crap. I blew these panels right down. Okay. Well, let's fix these quick here. What else? A piece of galvanized venting. This looks okay. I think it was in the box. Okay, well, let's get this pieced up. Okay, that's all back up. Doesn't look like too much blow down there, so I'm gonna just go over here.
I don't know where that downspout went. It blew again.
It's sitting right here.
Okay.
It blew off and it's sitting right here. Yeah, I heard it last night because it hit the side of the house pretty hard. We tended to this most of the day down there. Oh, that blew down. That's not a big deal. That's fine. Recycling and garbage stayed put. That's a good thing. This stuff looks like it stayed put. I like it. Looks like it had a bit of a wild ride, but looks like it stayed put. Putchki putchki. There's gonna be trees down, but I don't think we're gonna find it. What the heck? Oh, there's a mat for the barbecue. Oh, that was on the deck. That's a barbecue mat. I thought I saw something funky. No roof sheds are gone. Sheds of roofs. No sheds have flipped. You guys are looking safe and secure? Okay. There was a big tree down here. Is it still up? Oh yeah, it's still up. Okay. Barbecue mats over here. Plastic on the firewood got rocked a little bit, but it was though that wind was coming out of the south and the east, coming from Vancouver. Lovely. So, from what I could see up here, not much going down. But
There's another wind warning for tonight.
how bad is that one?
They didn't give me gusts. They just said a strong wind from Tuesday night into Wednesday morning.
Okay, that water's pretty thawed out. Oh yeah, and really? You guys reminding me that the water trough blew down there? Moxie.
So you're like, we need water, please, Dad.
We need water.
We'd like some water, please, Dad.
You silly girl.
Yeah, water, please, Dad.
I'm glad these roofs on these sheds are staying put so far.
Yeah, and even the little one there is still standing up.
Yeah, I gotta go check that gateway there. It looks like it's going that way because the base is rotten on it and it's starting to have issues. I'm just hoping. Well, yeah, this is that. Let's just go take a. We gotta get these guys fed. The ground is frozen, eh?
Yeah, that is frozen. We gotta move our new addition to the shed over there too.
Oh, the Friday.
The tart that decided to do her own thing.
Yep. Okay, let's go see the. Should we get? We should go down there, I guess, and see how she did.
Yeah, last I checked, she's lying down now. I think her baby is in.
Which one is that? School bus?
Yes, that was
Okay.
school bus.
School bus is making babies then. School bus and Manny. How are you kiddos doing? How's that girls? Hey. Just trying to keep an eye out for any more damage. Hi, little one. It's nice and calm now versus. But
the Polk is expected to get a butt ton of snow. They've got the Coquihalla protocol going in at 2 p.m. today.
okay, Friday's lying down over there. We better go. She's lying down pretty chill.
I think the baby's in the wool.
Okay, we'll go see what's going on. Hey, sweetheart. Oh yeah, you're cleaning out just fine. Hello. Oh, you are a big baby. Yeah. You are a big baby. Hi. Yeah, she's done. She's cleaned up. Just the one. That's fine for an accidental lammy. You okay? Why is you crooking that tail, little one? It's a very beautiful baby. Beautiful big baby. That is a chunky baby. Oh.
Yeah,
yeah, this just goes in there. Yeah, see no signs of any other one. She would have been good. She wasn't as wide as she normally was.
no.
That's a beautiful baby.
The second one didn't actually form. If you look in that beginning part, there's like a fat globule.
Yeah, I see it down there, yeah.
And whatever's in that thing that she's about to eat.
Huh.
I think she might have had a second one, it just didn't.
Hormone. Yeah. Well, she wasn't supposed to be bred.
No, you decided to do your own thing.
Yeah, you found the youngest boy that could reach. Look at babies. He's a good baby. We're gonna move you guys into a private building.
I'm gonna maybe put some oat straw down and put some hay in there. And,
Well, we got straw from underneath the camper.
Oh, right.
From when we had to deliver those lambs to the...
Right.
Yeah, so we got lots of good straw.
I'm gonna put the straw down.
Yeah.
Now, where are you off to, my dear?
She's hungry, so she's gonna go snoop through that stuff probably. Oh, I'm just gonna go check this thing. If I can just look at this gate from here and see if it blew. I gotta replace this, but it's a good thing that this is rotten because I can do the burnt wood and I can go to a 12-foot gate because this 10 doesn't cut it. No, it's fine. It has twisted slightly, but it's not coming down yet. No. Ooh. Ooh, but it has moved. Ooh. Ooh. It wants to. It really wants to. Well, this was popped out. That rail popped out. So the whole thing is pulled that way a touch.
Yeah, all of them are kind of pulled out.
Yeah. But we got the way to make, hey Nolsky. That side's tight. Well, it is what it is. I'm not going to worry about it because you can't worry about little things. We got other things we're working on. This ground is frozen. I could possibly get the skiddy in here and scrape their pen out.
Hi.
You're being attacked. Yeah, it's hungry time. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, baby's getting a drink like a little champ.
Well, he figured out he can have both sides.
Oh, was he only drinking on the one?
Yeah, the rudder was kind of lopsided, so he's drinking on the other side now.
Hey, yeah, you get your own food now and water. Molasses, water, food, bit of... You don't show interest to your Uncle Dad. Okay, these guys got lots of water. I was hoping it would be sunny, but that grayness moved in. Whatever, if the grayness moves in, it probably means we won't have as wicked a winds though. Oh, and there's that. I'll fix that up. I'll bring the skid steer or even a quad over, because the quad has a winch too, eh?
Yeah, the quad might be easier to get in and out of.
Yeah, so I'm not jumping in and out of a skid steer. And then having to jack it up and then... we'll go over and take a look at this mess. Holy jeepers. It's a good thing we braced that up a little bit. Okay, we'll grab the quad, I think. I gotta winch this that way because I can't get into the front with nothing here to push these back. Otherwise I just push them back. But I've stored crap here. But if we put a machine on that side and just winch these back and then put some nails in and brace this. Jeez. Something I gotta finish. Yeah, we'll just use the quad because yeah, the skid steer, I'd have to lift the thing up above that, and then getting in and out's a pain in the ass, and it's not wired for the winch yet. So we'll just use the one quad and we'll pull those all back and straighten them, and then take some actual nails instead of screws. Screws don't have a good shear load on them, so they break easy. So I'll just drive some nails into the side. Oh, you gotta fix that for Friday's kid? Yeah, this is where they're gonna go, right? Ooh, it is chilly out here. My hands are cold, considering yesterday was like 17. I better move this. So in case you didn't figure out, we had a lot of destructive. We had winds that we've never seen up here, like 58-kilometer gusts and like 52-kilometer sustained winds, which we've never had up here. So we've had close to that, like 53 gusts, but never something like that. That's why some of the weaker roof came off, and that came down. But not much you can do while it's blowing. You can just fix everything after and make sure stuff like that is built heavy duty, right? Make sure buildings like this are built heavy duty so they don't blow down. So that's a good thing. I might have to replace this jack corner. It looks like it's got a bit of a... Looks like this one's starting to get a little bit... Oh, we'll get the mill running and then we can make our own. That doesn't look like that's going to last very long. Yeah, same with that one. Some of these jack posts here are actually looking not in greatest shape. These back ones should be good. That one doesn't look too bad. There's just a big split down it, but that's... I always knew it was there. That feels all right. These ones up at the front, we'll get ones. So what the problem is with those is, because I don't have the front on this, they're getting all the weather, and because they have an angle to them, they catch the snow inside. So they sit with the snow in them. And they probably were pretty old when we put them up, right? Yeah. So we'll just get our mill running and we'll have some spares ready to go. I'm also going to build the front piece that comes down so that we can close these fronts off, and that will protect them even more. Or even tin should have been put up all the way along the front.
Isn't that clear, like sandy?
Just straight along the front, yeah.
Just so it lets the light in.
That's a good idea. Yeah, instead of building a... I was kind of thinking though, if I built a front piece down, then I could always put up a solar panel. Like we could get the, you know, the ones that are clear that you can let light through. Oh, yeah. But I'm just not sure. The run from here to the inverter might be too far.
Or have something come this way, the snow will build, and then you'll end up with a buildup of snow.
Oh, I got you. Okay, that's a good idea. I didn't even think of the snow buildup. So we'll just put a flat piece along the front. And then we'll have the same problem with Mom and Brian's deck, is that the water will run out the front. Which is fine if we want to collect the rainwater and put some waters inside. Oh, we could do that off the back. So yeah, we're good. Friday's little house.
Friday's little house. This is as much straw as we got, so hopefully that's good enough for a little bed for them.
Okay.
They'll probably end up being on the fluffy ground, but whatever. I tried.
Yeah. That gate is... I didn't tie it super like tight because I thought we could pivot off of that one. And there's like some panels we could just screw to the board you're on, and then we can just open and close this one as we want to go in.
Yeah, there's the classic panel, right?
Yeah, they're sitting over here. I'm surprised that plywood didn't blow anywhere.
Yeah. So.
But that's a good enough spot for them. That was all cleaned out. They should be cozy, comfy.
Yep. He's got a nice big area, so I was gonna think we banned him so because he's a single, he can at least that way stay
with the main group of lambs he likes. Yeah.
Just if anything, have to put like Friday somewhere else.
Well, he's not a... He'll be about the same... His play group would be Softy's lamb. There's a friggin' shingle there too. I see it. Oh well, the spring we're replacing that roof anyways. We gotta replace the shop roof. Okay, these guys are good to go. I'm wondering if that hose isn't frozen, because I'm surprised how cold it got.
It shouldn't be. I had it so it can hopefully drain out.
Okay. Just to freeze the ground. Well, the ground is saturated with moisture right now.
Yeah. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
Alrighty. That'll do. Lunatic. Hey, leave it. I went out the top. I forgot to latch the bottom. This could be bed. They don't seem too intent on leaving though. Let's move some mama. I got their hay into their pen.
Are you going to eat oats too Friday? Because you're at the oat pile. You're not even at the hay pile.
Oh, he seems like a little love log, doesn't he? Look at him. He's just shut right down in your arms. He's just...
Yeah. She's like, I'm happy. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Friday.
You might need two of us paying attention to get her moved because she's...
Friday.
Come on. Nope. Come on. I'm gonna need my other hand. Your little guy's probably the only winter baby we got Friday. And she picked the warmest day, so that's good. The warmest December day, we were what, 17 or 12 or something?
12 yesterday.
Oh yeah.
We only got to 0 overnight. Maybe that's the wind chill, but...
I think the wind chill's what brought the temp way down and froze everything. You're good Friday.
Friday.
Because she got out because the door wouldn't the metal door wouldn't latch its thing. There, that's yeah. I'll get another panel. We'll screw it in right there, and then we can just open and close that gate. So I'm just gonna go over and grab the quad. Carrie's gonna take care of filling those waters that needs to be filled. Once I grab, we got two options. We could grab the quad, Mom's quad, and bring it over, and we could winch everything up, or I could go grab the skid steer that I left over here, put the winch in it, hook up some jumper cables, hook up the controller, run the jumper cables down to a spare battery, lift the arms right up, or we could just go grab the quad that already has a winch set up. So that's what we'll do. Everything else from the wind is pretty much cleaned up. Oh, here we are. So the goal is going to be pretty simple. We're just gonna hook a winch to there and then drag it backwards. These aren't gonna weigh too much, so it shouldn't take too much to do. And then we'll put some nails in the side and put some boards down and tie them in, because I've been using these big heavy screws, but the problem is whenever you use these little lighter screws, these screws don't have any shear load, which means they don't work good with forces going this way. They work good with forces pulling them out this way, and nails work better on the other way. So hopefully I can do these two sort of together. I'm hoping, because they're kind of tied together to prevent them from falling this way. And I didn't bring a drill bit to fix that. So we'll do what we can do, however we can do it. Oh, what's this? Huh. Huh. Interesting. Coming at this angle too much. I'm too far this way. I need to be right there. Okay, I'm gonna reset. That should be better. Straighter, hopefully. I think we'll have to brace that and then do this one and go back and forth. Brace that one up. We'll keep switching left to right until we can get this thing vertical-ish. Let the winch out. Switch to that one. Good there, we'll brace that. I gotta go this way. We're getting there. Yeah, now that this one fell, I just gotta bring it back, but hopefully now that we've nailed those boards on, they'll stay. And it's gonna go slow. Has that got not enough angle? That's gonna have way too much angle. We're gonna have to put another one on that. A longer one. Because it's gonna get to a certain point where this isn't gonna hit the ground. We're gonna have to go longer. That's what happened with the other one, is it got too much at an angle and it just slid out.
I'll go see if I can find a better board over there.
There might be, just a sec. I might have more sitting in this pile here, or possibly if this is holding now that, no, I'm gonna come down there and see, okay? Yeah, I can come in here when we go to actually finish the beams on top and straighten it all out. It's just to make sure they don't fall over. And I seem to think that middle one was crooked, and because if that's a fix on that end, and that's a fix there, and that's a fix there, and that's a fix there, this can only be in one way, right? Yeah. Like this. So at least they're up. I mean, this one still looks a little bit, but there's not much I can do about it. I can pull this back a bit. This one looks good. Yeah, this one looks good. This one hasn't moved at all. They're all a little bit out, but as long as they're vertical, who gives a shit, right?
Yeah.
And they're all nailed in now, so they shouldn't fall down. I call that a successful repair. This other side is really good because it has they're all tied together. There is just a couple moving, but I can fix those later. Yeah. Again, I might change the style of that wall. You okay? What the heck are you doing over here? Oh, closing that door. But I might change the style of this wall here, because these were going to be just as what scrap lumber we had, but if I get that mill running, I'll just put strapping across, which is a lot easier building style for a pole barn. Yeah. This was just because I had boards that were X length. Not X's, but they were only some that were like this short and some that were barely that long. Yeah. So I couldn't do full strapping across, so I was making do with what we had. But now that we got the mill, I might knock all these out, strap everything across, and then that should be way good. And then I can make some strap beams across the top before the trusses go up, and this will be squared out. So that's what I might do. That's fixed anyways. I'll throw that in the quad, and I'll take this up to the house to unload my tools, okay? Good enough. So when you're letting in winch cable, don't let it slide through your hand as you're reeling it in. Grab a section, hold the cable until it reels in, let go, grab the next section and hold it. Because if you got stuff like that and you let it slide, it'll chew up your hand. I don't have anything to show you, but I'll just get it done. He's lying where Mum was eating. I'm just looking at this. So that one's vertical, that's crooked, and that one's vertical. And the way they were attached, yeah, that's the way it was before. It's not, we just got to get that finished. But we'll get the sawmill done first. Hi, buddy. Hi, Mama. Oh, who's a good boy? Hi. Hi.
He's got white hips on both sides.
Oh, he's very bright-eyed. He's very big lamb.
But see, he's got white on the exact same on both hips.
I just gotta go get my hammer. I think I left it down here again.
Oh yeah, it is.
So we've got these attached via nails, because nails can do this. Screw, if I did that, I'd probably break it. You see, a nail can do that. And screws, well, they can't, watch, if I try and go back up, it's broken. So screws can't handle that. That nail's still good. So we don't really want to be using screws in here, but I used to do it all the time, or I went bigger screws. They still have the same issue. It's called a shear load. Nails carry a superior shear load. Screws have a superior torsion and like pull and compression and pull. I don't know what you want to call that. I'm not that smart. I'm just a dirtbag farmer. But that's all fixed up for now. Permanently strapped in there. I got this straightened out. I don't think I ever put that video out when I was fixing this and doing other measurements, but 32, 8, 16, 32 by 24. That's what that's supposed to be. 15 foot high, I think, 16 foot high, big hay shed. There's some beams there that are going on the top. There's a pile of wood for the walls. There's some jealous sheepies staring. He's got a white sock on the front. Oh, big stretch. He's a good boy, Friday.
And a white tip on his tail.
Yeah. Oh, jealous. Hi.
That's not the udder. And I know you know where it is.
Oh, yeah, he's been doing it. Jealous. There he goes. I hear him. Friday, you're a good girl. She never got skinny at all. Like, I kept feeling her to see if she was getting skinny at all because she's bloaty. And she's just a chubby. Hi, girls. Oh, you guys are marked, so you guys are going to have babies pretty quick. Like 5 months. Yeah. School bus over there with her boyfriend.
Yep.
Looking at him with that longing look in her eyes. Give me one of those cuties. Or two of those cuties, eh? Friday. I can't remember. Was it Dairy Boy that...
No, it was not Kira's.
Oh, one of Kira's big rams. Oh, yeah.
I mean, in a sense, you know, we read Kira to Manny, so Kira is a Hank daughter.
Okay.
Bred to Manny for a first timer. So Manny's his
Grandfather.
grandfather.
Yeah. That's where the color comes from. Good girl, Friday. This is your private digs for a bit. Well, that's everything we had to do for the wind. That's fixed. All this other crap is sort of cleaned up. We've been really cleaning everything up because of the winds, you know?
Yeah.
Look at this. I should be in here right now before this next snow. Hey, there's a woodpecker.
Oh, hi.
That guy loves when I had the wood pile up here and I was chainsawing it all, he'd come in, or she would come in and just go nuts on that stuff.
That might have been the one that was on the aspen yesterday when the propane was here. There was one that went up onto the aspen over there.
But yeah, when I had the wood, all that punky wood and stuff, I was chainsawing up and splitting. He'd come and sit on the wood and wait for me to finish. I might go over this way, leave them to eat. They got that big rotten tree over there, but I still think they like to come over here. But I should try and get these debarked, but oh, what are you doing on my fence post? That's a rotten fence post, so you can do what you want to that one. Larry broke that one last winter. It's a beautiful bird. Silly geese. Oh, over to the rotten tree over there. That's where you need to be, friend. Well, I was thinking I should, if the weather's going to be nice, take advantage of it again and get all this crap debarked so we can put these rails up. But also, I want a day off, so screw it. Oh, we gotta run down the hill, don't we?
Yeah.
Got coffee creamer. These are the days you don't survive without coffee creamer, especially after a busy weekend of marketing and working and such. Alrighty.
4 days of work, 2 markets, and then just
Yeah.
yesterday was recovery.
Oh, there's no dogs in this pen, is there?
No, there's not.
I could take the quad back. We could do the quad when we go get creamer too. The wind blew that open. Alright.
Cassie's still down in freight train.
Oh, is she still down there?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky girl. Baby's up and doing good. Generator's purring away. It's a good night, no wind. We're looking good. Nice noise. Hey girls, you guys are happy. Making babies. I'm going to get the big guard dog to feed her.